How's it going, everybody? Just wanted to check out this Toyota pickup, do a quick walk around while we've got some nice light here. This truck is pretty ridiculously nice. It's really cool. It's impossible to find them with such low mileage and such originality. It's pretty cool. I'm selling this truck for my friend Ruth. Her and her husband bought it brand new in 1987 and then just used it as a truck on their farm. They just drove it around a little bit, always had it either parked in their shop or in their garage. We have receipts for like the Brahma top and the bed liner, all the original sales documentation. It's just really cool. So just wanted to do a quick walk around, kind of show some of the bumps and stuff from over the years a little closer in person here. But overall, this truck is just really nice, totally unrestored, original paint. Interior is amazing. I'm pretty sure it had seat covers on it since 1987, so it's really cool. So let's take a little walk around and check it out. These struts don't work anymore. And there's pictures of the bed liner and underneath the bed liner. Original plate frames and also original plates, of course. That's all the extra parts that it comes with. There's some new old stock brake components in there and stuff, as well as all the receipts and original window sticker and all the original documentation. It's a little dirty down there. I've been driving it, taking some pictures and stuff. Pop the hood. See if I can do this with one hand here. Oh, there we go. Come on. This engine bay is pretty cool. I love all the zinc coated components everywhere. And again, fully unrestored, just how it is from the factory. Start her up. Got the classic push button to release the key. Light works. Oh. We replaced the muffler. It had a pretty big exhaust leak in it. But motor sounds great. Had a tune-up in 2020 when Ruth was driving it a little bit. And then we did an oil change to get it ready for sale. But other than that, not a ton of work recently. Not really a ton of work at all over the life of the truck. It just really hasn't had that many miles, so. There's the new muffler down there. That's about it. Pretty cool one. So, happy bidding, everybody. Thanks.